to welcome everybody here this year to this year's Unity Tree Lighting. I wanted to share that this lighting of the tree began back in 1995, 26 years ago. It was the idea of Fennimore's very own Marcia Ball. She wanted to bring the community together. She wanted to bring the city folk and country folk, her exact words. She wanted to bring them all together to celebrate, cheer for the holidays. Marcia, along with Linda Parrish, Denise Tolzman, Margaret Sprague, Greg Schock, and Jerry Day, pulled off this very great event 26 years ago, and it has now become a tradition for us here at Fennimore. I wanted to thank all the businesses and people that donated to this event. Every year we have a great crew from the Friends of the Fennimore Library Group, and they start about 2 months ago sending out a letter talking about this, and bells are purchased for $5 each, and they are made in a memoriam or an honor of somebody, and it can be a business or a person, and that's what you see around the fence.
Can I get your name?
Michael.
Great. How old are you, partner? 4. All right. Well, you want to come with me and we'll see if we can get this lit? Perfect. Let's go. Okay, ready? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. He strained his sleigh to his team gave a whistle, and away we all flew like the dawn of a whistle. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."